I'm going to show you how you can write an essay for any topic. Now we're going to follow a rule here. First off, we want to paste off our structure, right? Our structure will be an introduction and then our main paragraph and then a conclusion, right? Now, basically what it means is that an introduction, you're going to start off the viewer by telling them what you're going to tell them in this essay, right? So for example, if I have an essay about why phone are dangerous to the eye, I'm going to tell them that, hey, this essay is going to be telling you about why phone is dangerous to the eye. And then on my actual paragraph here, now you can see I have a couple of paragraphs here that I've wrote. Now, on this actual paragraph, I'm going to actually tell them about what I do, right? About why I'm going to tell them this. So in the introduction, I'm saying, hey, phones are bad for you. And in this actual paragraph, I'm going to tell them why phones are bad to them. So if I start off the introduction with, hey, I'm going to tell you about why phones are bad, in the paragraph, I'm going to say, okay, here it is. I'm actually going to tell you. And then on the conclusion here, it's going to say something like, okay, this is what I've told you, right? So basically, an introduction, a paragraph, and then conclusion. And then on here, you want to follow a couple of structure as well, right? So for the introduction, you do want to follow a couple of rules, right? For example, there is a 3-step introduction rule that I've learned in school. Now, basically, the first one is to write a broad background statement and then rewrite the question prompt in your own words and then write your thesis statement, right? And then there is a 4-step body paragraph structure that I remember as well. The first off is a topic sentence, and then a sentence where you give a reason or example, and then a sentence where you give another reason or example, and then a sentence where you summarize the idea. After that, there is a 2-step conclusion structure, which is this essay discuss, argued, compared, show main idea 1 and main idea 2. And then the last one, you end it off with in my opinion. Now, by following these very basic guidelines, you should be able to write an essay in any topic imaginable. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.